59. Seven space conditions and motions. From the periphery of paradise to the inner borders of the seven superuniverses, there are the following seven space conditions and motions. Number 1. The quiescent mid-space zones impinging on paradise. Number 2. The clockwise processional of the three paradise and the seven Habona circuits. Number 3. The semi-quiet space zone separating the Habona circuits from the dark gravity bodies of the central universe. Number 4. The inner counterclockwise moving belt of dark gravity bodies. Number 5. The second unique space zone dividing the two space paths of the dark gravity. Number 6. The outer belt of dark gravity bodies revolving clockwise around paradise. Number 7. A third space zone, a semi-quiet zone separating the outer belt of dark gravity bodies from the innermost circuits of the seven superuniverses. On the outskirts of this vast central universe, far out beyond the seven belts of Habana worlds, there soar an unbelievable number of innermost dark gravity bodies. These multitudinous dark masses are quite unlike other space bodies in many particulars. Even in forms, they are very different. These dark gravity bodies neither reflect nor absorb light. They are non-reactive to physical energy light, and they so completely encircle and enshroud Habana as to hide it from the view of even nearby inhabited universes of time and space. The great belt of dark gravity bodies is divided into two equal elliptical circuits by a unique space intrusion. The inner belt revolves counterclockwise. The outer revolves clockwise. These alternate directions of motion, coupled with the extraordinary mass of the dark bodies, so effectively equalizes the lines of Habana gravity as to render the central universe a physically balanced and perfectly stabilized creation. The seven evolving superuniverses in association with the central and divine universe, commonly referred to as the grand universe, these are the now organized and inhabited creations. They are all a part of the master universe, which also embraces the uninhabited but mobilizing universes of outer space. The relatively quiet zones between the space levels, such as the one separating the seven superuniverses from the first outer space level, are enormous elliptical regions of quiescent space activities. These zones separate the vast galaxies which race around paradise in orderly procession. You may visualize the first outer space level, where untold universes are now in process of formation, as a vast profession of galaxies swinging around paradise, bounded above and below by mid-space zones of quiescence, and bounded on the inner and outer margins by relatively quiet space zones. The first outer space level, the second outer space level, the third outer space levels, and the fourth outer space level.